I truly believe that SB19 takes every performance seriously, no matter what stage they are on. Sometimes, it even makes you wonder if they are just as serious about everything outside of performing. Fortunately, moments like this signing video from Hit FM show a more natural and lighthearted side of them. This video was made for the artists who won and performed at the Hitopop Awards. Hopefully, we will see more wholesome content like this, especially for new 18 who want to get to know them more deeply. Let us all enjoy watching their signing video.
Sulat mo muna yung logo.
Ay, logo mo.
Logo.
Logo muna.
Oh, para makaikot tayo.
Logo muna.
Litan mo lang ha. Ito, blue.
Blue.
Litan mo lang.
Mga si Jason, no? Next one. Thank you guys.
Ayan.
Change your color.
Meron na pet tayo? Pink na lang. Meron na pink.
Yan na naman pa siya, Ra.
Kaya sinatawa ka siya. Ito lang. Bayad public. Ayos mo balik?
Nakared naman ako. Joe, usual.
Ano? Doon ka sa taas.
Dito, tsaka dito.
Pagkasya mo ni sa'yo. Para hindi na ako maihila.
Ako yung tabihan mo. Pares kami ng pirma ni Josh eh. Ikaw kayo yung pirma namin.
Yan mo na. Malaki kasi Pablo niya pa ay yung pahabaan yung pirma.
Ay, gang!
Buwan na eh.
Was nice mo.
Sorry. Pwede kasi ilalim na. Ay, cute!
Yeah.
Shot to 10! Hit the award! Thank you!
Let's go.